So now let me get you through the script that gets you all the info data, which might be helpful for your data science studies later. Here we have the Pearson's crystal data, and the script that we are going to use is called info-ahk. So here it is. The idea is very similar to the sieve extraction, but it is a little bit more complex here. So let's just go through everything, every single step, what is going on there. So it will be performing 7 loops here in case if you need more. So obviously you can always adjust it. And at the same time, you need to have like an empty text file from which you alt tab towards the PCD window. Let's just go through the steps. So now you need to set it up so that your cursor is above the info sheet, and you need to make sure that you're on your first data entry that you're interested in. So everything that is going to do is written here. If you hover over this data info sheet, then it will be doing a left click. After that, it will be selecting all the data with Control A, copying it with Control C, then Alt Tab towards the text document. It will select everything, Control A in the text document, hitting delete in case there was any information in it. Then it will be pasting the newly copied data. After that, it will be saving it, Alt F, and then selecting A as a save as option. Then it will be suggesting you where exactly it's going to save it. So it will be providing the names similar to this one, C, and then the number of entries, so C1, C2, C3, and so on. And later on, it will be, once you hit return, it will be alt-tabbing to the next entry, and it will be moving to the next, extracting the information in a similar way. So I will use absolutely the same folder that I used for the previous tutorial, which is test files. And I will make sure that I delete everything from the folder. Okay, so just in case, I'll be saving file over there, and it is saved. So I don't need to have this file as C15, but no big deal. I can just go to this folder and just delete everything that was saved there. Just a second. So that's my test files. I don't need C15. I'll get rid of it. Can delete it here. We can delete it from here and start with a new fresh text file. So specifically here, we are starting with a new text file. This script, we need to make sure that it is loaded. So the same script, I double click on it. Then I'm just trying to rehearse what will be going on. So first we need to have entry selected, and we need to have the cursor above the data information. Then I need to make sure that my Alt tab leads to the text file, not to any other window, but to the text file and back. So this is what I tried to do a few times. Important thing, if you Alt tab to something else, any other window, since it has the delete option included here, hitting delete button, so you might find some of your files, if you're not careful, in the recycle bin. So please try to avoid it. That's why Alt tabbing a few times between the PCD and the text editor is essential. Now that I know that everything is ready to go, I'll just hit Ctrl J, and all this information is saved one by one